My name is Anita. I'm an MIE student, class of 2026, and I come from Italy, but I currently study at ESMT Berlin. We have several opportunities within the MIE program to be connected within the startups in Berlin. The first opportunity we have was within the class of Foundations of Entrepreneurship with the Professor Angeliki Papacioni. We have had a consultancy program with these startups. We were split into our study groups and we had the opportunity to be consultants for these startups. Other opportunities that are more specific, I would say, are within the summer entrepreneurship program that is done through the Valley, which is the incubation program at ESMT Berlin. We have several networking activities, but also we've had the opportunities of being put in contact with these startups if we've needed help or through different investors or founders. I personally chose most of the electives of the MIE program. For example, during the second year, we've had the possibility of choosing our own exams. I personally took entrepreneurship with large language models, entrepreneurial sales and marketing in entrepreneurship, and social entrepreneurship. I was particularly interested in these subjects as an MIE student, but also given the fact that this summer I participated to the summer entrepreneurship program. I've had a practical experience and I wanted also to deepen my knowledge on the more theoretical parts. I would say most of the classes are quite practical. It's not just theoretical learning. We do a lot of it in class through the study group activities, the workshops, or the case studies, but also we have several opportunities, for example, the Summer Entrepreneurship Program or the Sustainability Bootcamp. Or during the second year, we can choose a consultancy project. Personally, I chose the DEEP project, which means that we have the opportunity of being consultants for deep tech startups. As an MIE student, I've had the opportunity of choosing between a regular internship within a company or a startup or taking part of the summer entrepreneurship program done by Valley, the incubator ESMT. I personally chose the summer entrepreneurship program, and during the summer, I've had the opportunity of going through the incubation process and founding my own startup. I think that was a very relevant experience as an MIE student because I've had the opportunity of bringing to life what I've learned during the semester. Some of the ways are, of course, in class. The professors are very much available if we need anything during class and after. But the most practical parts are during the program, again, with the support of Valley. We have had the opportunity of being followed by mentors and having weekly one-on-ones with these mentors, which means that their feedbacks were strictly related to our project and to our performance. And we had the opportunity of integrating these feedbacks every week. Valley is the incubator at ESMT Berlin, which means that it's the part that is more related to the startup world at ESMT, and it's the bridge between the student life and the startup world in Berlin. At Valley, we have the Summer Entrepreneurship Program, which is the program that is 3 months long, or the Sustainability Bootcamp, which happens during the semester in March. And we have, through Valley, we have the opportunity of understanding if doing a startup and being a founder is what we want to do in life. I would say both during the theoretical classes, because we have the opportunity of studying something that is not very common through a general master program, and most importantly through these practical components, because it's not just learning and seeing what other people do, but it's putting in practice what entrepreneurship means and really understanding what we can learn out of it. I was able to customize my study experience through the different opportunities that we have. The first semester is more similar to everybody, but at the same time, you can choose some practical components to follow. But then after the first year, through the internship program or the summer entrepreneurship program, or the second year with the choice of all the electives, we can really choose what best fit our preferences. As an MIE student, I think we have a wonderful opportunity of connecting to the startup world or VC world through founders or also through companies that are invited every week to the campus. We have the opportunities of connecting to people that work in several companies and to ask questions or feedbacks or whatever we need in order to enter the work world. The Sustainability Bootcamp is the first very practical component that we have. I think it was very relevant for every MIE student because it was the first time that we were asked to actually come up with a venture idea. And it was also quite hard for us to bring together the sustainable side and the business side. We had to bring together our ideas and our understanding and learnings that we have had during the prior months and come up with these ventures that had an actual impact. I believe as MIE student, we have the competitive advantage of bringing our creativity and problem solving to the business world. That it's something that we can really put in practice, not only if we want to find a startup or work in the VC world, but also in a general corporate. Not only we have had the opportunity of working on our hard skills, but most importantly in the soft ones. For example, when you have to find your own startup or a venture, you really learn to get outside, talk to people, get feedbacks, and put everything in practice.